Hello and welcome students to our new video lecture. I'm your English teacher Anukia, and in this lecture we are going to study a new topic of English grammar, that is adjectives. Further, as we move, we are going to read about what are adjectives, its definition, examples related to adjectives, also how many types of adjectives you are going to study in your course, and also the examples related to them. So let's move further and understand what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Adjective is also called as describing words. Basically, all the words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called as adjectives. Let's read few examples. Read out the following sentences. Madhu is a tall girl. She has black eyes. She is a good singer. The above sentences contains a number of nouns like girl, eyes, singer, okay? Now let's see. Madhu is a tall girl. The word here tall describes the appearance of the girl. It says that the girl is tall. The girl appears tall. The word black describes the color of the eye, and the word good describes the quality of the singer. So the words tall, black and good are called as adjectives because they add something to the meaning of the noun or a pronoun, or it describes the noun or a pronoun. Remember, generally, an adjective is placed before a noun in a sentence, but we can also use an adjective after a noun also. Read out the following example. My grandmother is intelligent. The adjective intelligent describes grandmother. That the quality of grandmother was that she was intelligent. She is intelligent. Here the adjective is used after the noun. My father has a red car. The adjective red describes the car. It describes the color of the car. In this sentence, the adjective is placed before the noun it describes. We have sufficient money. Sufficient tells the amount of money we have. It describes the amount of money. In this sentence also, the adjective is placed before the noun it describes. Our strength is enough. Enough also tells the amount of the strength we have. Here the noun is the strength and the adjective is enough. In this sentence, the adjective is placed after the noun. Kinds of adjectives. There are many kinds of adjectives, but in your course, in class 3rd, we are going to study only 3 types of adjectives. The first is adjective of quality. The second is adjective of number. And the third is ordinal adjective. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells about some quality of a person, animal, or a thing. They answer the question of what kind. Basically, the adjective of quality describes the look, appearance, color, size, and structure or shape of the noun or a pronoun we are talking about. Let's see a few examples. This is a blue book. Rose is a beautiful flower. Here the word blue describes the color of the book, and the word beautiful describes the appearance of the flower. So the words blue and beautiful, since it describes the appearance of the noun, book and flower, are adjective of quality. Gandhiji was a great leader. Here the word great describes the characteristic of Gandhiji, the characteristic of the leader. So here the word great is also an adjective of quality. Adjective of number. Adjective of number talks about how many person or things, like many, several, most, first, much, little, whole, any. They answer the question how many. In the adjective of quality, we received the answer by asking what kind of. But in this adjective of number, we receive the answer from the question how many. Adjective of number basically tells the number of nouns and pronoun we are talking about. It will be more clear with some examples. She has 10 rupees in her purse. What is the word that describes how many rupees she has in her purse? It's 10. 10 tells the number of the amount of money the girl has in her purse. So 10 is the adjective of number. Most boys like cricket. How many boys like cricket? We receive the answer as most. So most tells the number of boys who like cricket. So most is the adjective of number. Kalidas wrote many poems. Asking the question how many to this sentence, we receive the answer as many. So many is the adjective of number over here. The third type of adjective is ordinal adjectives. Ordinal adjective, the name comes from ordinal numbers which you might have studied in your mathematics class. Ordinal numbers are numbers such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So if such kind of words are used in a sentence for describing a noun or a pronoun, those words are called as ordinal adjectives. Ordinal adjectives tells the position of a noun in a sequence. For example, I stood first in the class. Whenever you people receive your result, you get a sequence. We take out a sequence of students as per the marks received by them. So the person who has received the maximum number of marks comes first. So first here tells the the sequence, the position of the noun or pronoun in a sequence. So first here is the ordinal adjective. The fourth column is empty. Here the word fourth is the ordinal adjective as it tells about the position of the column, that it's fourth in number. I hope you people have liked the lecture and I hope you people have understood whatever I have taught in this lecture. Do give a thorough revision to whatever I explained. That's all for this lecture. Thank you so much.